Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to put together this chicken and vegetable. It's a very simple recipe and it's perfect for summer. So the ingredients are salt, oregano, meat seasoning, peas, carrots and fresh tomatoes. And also you're going to be using some extra virgin of olive oil, some chicken, and check the description, okay, for all the ingredients. So the first thing I'm going to do is to cook the carrot and the peas until they are cooked, okay, with a little bit of salt. So while that is cooking, I'm going to move over to the chicken. So for the chicken, I'm adding extra virgin of olive oil into my pot. Allow it to heat up, then add all your chicken inside the pan. I love to season my chicken with pepper, black or white pepper and salt while they are cooking. So here I'm adding just a little bit of meat seasoning inside the chicken. You can skip this step if you don't want to add the meat seasoning. I just added a pinch of it, not too much, okay. Stir everything and continue to stir them until the chicken brown, okay. Then we'll set that aside. But after then I added a little bit of wine inside the chicken and allow it to evaporate. The wine is optional. You can skip the wine if you don't like wine, okay, but if you can add it, it gives this a little bit more flavor. So yeah. So my chicken and the vegetables are cooked. So all you need to do is to filter the water out of the carrots and the peas and add them into the chicken. Stir everything together and add the diced tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. Give them a good stir all together, okay. Now you're going to add just a pinch of oregano inside. You can add other fresh leaf spice herbs that you have. So I added extra virgin of olive oil inside as well. So I'm going to put the lid on after giving them a good stir now and allow them to simmer for 3 more minutes before taking them out. Look, this recipe is very simple. You can have them as side dish. You can have them just like this for a dinner, which is what I had them for. Like, I use them for dinner. It's very light and it's because it's very hot. This is the summer recipe and I hope you give this video a try. Thank you for watching and I will see you all in my next video. God bless you. Bye.